What's going on, guys? It's Tuesday, the 9th of September, and I'm truly excited to be back with you guys once again. Today, we are going to be going through the charts. Obviously, yesterday I did upload a video where I was breaking down the potential direction of the market for this week, and obviously, with that being said, I did break down the potential direction. So today we are going to be following up on that and seeing which setup we can actually take. And obviously, yesterday I ended up taking one specific setup, which ended up being on US 30. Uh, I caught the W, the second leg of the W, uh, on the. I think that was in the end, almost in the end of the New York session where I ended up catching it, but it was a really short setup, given that I was targeting the previous high, and with that being said, it was a 1:1 risk reward ratio, and yeah. For those guys who actually joined the copy trading, they've or actually benefited from this specific trading. So let's go straight. So this was one of the breakdown I gave yesterday. I was expecting a stop hand low, and price gave us that stop hand low at the beginning of the New York, but at this point right here we didn't really have a confirmation or anything of that sort. So I wanted to wait for that proper confirmation before actually executing and entering the chart. So obviously they gave us that first hit to the low, and see how they gave us that second hit over here because we are now counting the low of the candle. See how they gave us that second hit over here, failed to break, and gave us that bullish engulfing candle over here, and then that was our confirmation to execute on this specific pair. So having entered over here after the bullish engulfing, our stop had to go below this candle here, which was the previous low, which was here. So it was basically 1:1. We managed to book some profit even though it wasn't much. And then looking at our second pair, which is GU, that we're looking at yesterday, we did say that we're expecting another level of rise, and as you can see, we did not execute on GU, but as you can see yesterday I did say we have level 1, level 2, so we should expect another level, which is level 3. So right now we are actually around that level 3 zone, or we're heading towards that level 3 zone. So with that being said, we are now still looking for some sort of confirmation if we can take it to the high. Obviously I believe they might want to rise a little bit more unless they have change of plans, but this right here is all level 3 on GU. And with that being said, we are going to be taking a close look at GU as well. Uh, right now the only setup that might, obviously they gave us the stubborn high to the high. I'm not really interested in that, but one of the setups that I would be interested in is if price comes to the Asian midline and actually retests on the Asian midline, which is somewhere over here. So if price actually retests the Asian midline, basically like this, let me show you. Let's just say right now we are probably heading towards the London Open. So let's just say right now they've hit the Asian midline the first time. I want to see them go up and then maybe towards New York Open or something of that sort, or maybe even though has London opened yet? Let me actually check the timing. New York clock. I had added the time. I don't know what happened. No, the London actually is about to open, so they might hit the first time and maybe pull back. And if they decide to come back again, even if it's in the London and give us that double bottom, giving us that double formation, I would be interested in taking another short long. But on the overall, we are now towards level 3 over here, so we should be expecting maybe a bit of bullish movement, and then overall we should be looking for shorts after that. So I'll be keeping a close eye on this one. So now let us look at another pair that I did mention yesterday, which is EU. So for EU, we can actually see that it's correlated to the GU, and EU being correlated to GU, we can actually see that obviously we had our level. I don't know if this is level 1 or 2, because we could also say that this is like this. Could also say that this is 1, this is 2, but right now this whole area look like a consolidation to me, so this could be 1 and this could be our level 2. And when it comes to EU, I actually like the fact that it's actually coming down here, even though they give us that first top 100 highs, fake out, so let's see how price might behave. But on the overall, I'm interested in this, so I can take high side trade. So I'm interested in going long on EU, so I'm still gonna wait for some sort of setup so that I can execute on EU my long trades. So yeah guys, so this is it for today. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on yesterday's trade, and obviously if you haven't joined my Telegram channel, join my Telegram channel, as I'm giving a lot of things like information, and obviously I do have my ebook as well that you can get access to on my website. Check my website. So with the ebook you can also get a 1-year free license to the trading bot, but the requirement is that you should be able to fund your own trading account with a minimum capital of at least 500 to 1k, but that's only for the ebook owners, right? They can get a 1-year system license for the bot. And with that being said guys, this is it. If you haven't joined the copy trading, you can also join the copy trading. If you have a minimum capital of literally 100, you can also reach out to me if you join my Telegram channel, and also get access to all of these things and start making a second source of income. So yeah guys, thank you guys for showing up. If you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button, drop a like so that we can grow our community. And that's it guys, catch you guys on the next one.